Hello dear students, in this video I am explaining you the concept of homogeneous differential equations. That topic I am taking in this, and this type of problem can be easily identified in the examination. The reason is, if you see the power on x is 2, here also it is 2, here 2, here 2, means the degree of each term is 2. In this way we identify the homogeneous differential equation. So the first step is we write this in the form dy by dx. So dy by dx is x square plus y square upon x square plus xy. In the next step, we take y equal to vx. See now, we take y equals to vx. So what will be the dy by dx? Dy by dx will be u into v rule. So v d by dx of x is 1 and x dv by dx. So we write v plus x dv by dx. So here now I am changing this part. dy by dx. What will be dy by dx? v plus x dv by dx equals to x square plus y square v square x square upon x square plus x vy. Instead of this v x, instead of this y, we write vx. Now in the next step, we take x square common, so 1 plus v square, and in denominator also x square common, so 1 plus v. This x square and x square cancel, and here it is v plus x dv by, now we will transfer this v that side. So x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v minus v upon 1. So the LCM is 1 plus v. So 1 plus v square minus 1 minus this v will multiply by the LCM. So it is v minus v square. This v square and v square cancelled. Here it is x dv by dx. So now x dv by dx equals to 1 minus v upon 1 plus. Please see this part. And now we can apply the method as variable separable method. So by that method, 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv equal to 1 upon x dx. And now we can divide it. So this part will be v plus 1 divided by minus v plus 1. So it is minus 1. So minus v and minus 1. So plus v and minus 1. So here it is plus minus. It is cancelled and it is 2. So this term can be written as minus 1 plus 2 upon 1 minus v dv. And this side it is the division I already explained you. Now I am rubbing this part. So here it is 1 upon x dx, and now we integrate it both the side. So when we integrate, this is minus v this part, and it is minus 2 log 1 minus v, and this side it is log x plus c. And now instead of v, we can write minus y by x minus 2 log 1 minus y by x equals to log x plus c. So in this way we can write the answer of this particular part. It is the important sum, and the best part in this is that if you solve one problem, the almost all the sums are of similar type. This methodology is the similar. This is the problem which is based on the methodology. So do the practice of more and more sums from this particular type. I am taking one more sum. See, in this sum, it is dx and dy. So the first part is 2xy dy equal to, if you transfer it that side, minus x square minus y square dx. The next part is dy by dx equals to, if you take it inside, y square minus x square upon 2xy. Now you see, the degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 2, and here also 1 and 1 it is 2. So we can say that it is a homogeneous. And now, as the methodology, we take y equal to vx. So dy by dx will be v plus x dv by dx. So we'll write now, it is v plus x dv by dx, that is dy by dx. Y square is v square x square minus x square upon 2x vx. This y will be vx. Now in the next step, it is v plus x dv by dx, and we take x square common, to v square minus 1, and denominator will be x square and it is 2v. This x square and x square cancelled, and in the next step, x dv by dx equals to v square minus 1 upon 2v minus v upon 1. Please see this now. This v will be, so now the LCM is 2v, it is v square minus 1 minus 2v square, and here it is x dv by dx. So x dv by dx will be minus common and v square plus 1. Please see this now, this part. 2v square negative and this is positive, so 1 negative, and upon 2v. So you transfer it now. It is 2v upon v square plus 1 dv minus 1 upon x dx, and now integrate it both the side. So when you integrate, it is very clear to you that you take v square plus 1 as t, then this will be dt. So the answer of this part is log v square plus 1, in this side minus log x plus. Finally, we can write it as v square plus 1 plus log x. Now see, whenever two terms are log, we can take this c as log c. So take this as log c. So by using the property of log, it is v square plus 1 into x equals to c. And now we can write y square upon x square plus 1 into x equals to c, or even you can multiply also. So in this way, you see this step is little extra here. This log x I have taken this side, and instead of c I have written log c, because it is constant, it can be. So by property of log, here it is plus sign, so it will be in product form, and this is c, and then log and log cancel, and this will be the final answer. So in this way you can solve. You have seen that in this sum, the methodology is the similar. Methodology is used for all the sums. I am taking one more problem. Please see. Yes, dear students, you see this problem. We can write this as x. This problem as x dy equals to, take this term that side. So it is y plus root x square plus y square dx. All the terms which are having dy this side and dx that side. And now we calculate dy by dx. So dy by dx will be y upon root x square plus y square upon x. And you see this is a homogeneous equation. Now the same method, put y equals to vx. So dy by dx will be v plus x dv by dx. So it is v plus x dv by dx equals to y. Y will be vx. And in the bracket, x square v square x square upon x. Now it is v plus x dv by dx equals to vx plus, you take x square common, so it will be x, and it is, now this part will be 1 plus v square upon x. So in the next step, v plus x dv by dx, v plus x dv by dx. Now vx upon x and this x. So this x and x cancel here. If you take common, then v plus root में 1 plus v square upon x. So this x and x cancelled, and v plus x dv by dx equals to v plus root 1 plus v square. So this v square and v square also, v and v also cancelled. In the next step, we can write 1 upon 1 plus v square dv, and this x will be 1 upon x. And now you integrate it both the side. So the formula for this is log v plus root 1 plus v square, and that side it is log x plus c. So we can take this as log c. Please see this now. This is the formula, root a square plus x square. So the log cancelled, and it is v plus root 1 plus v square, and this is x and c. The log and log will remove, and you put the value y by x root 1 plus v square क्या होगा, y square upon x square and xc. You can further take the LCM and it can be simplified. So in this way we apply the method as homogeneous differential equation. I hope by all these problems now this concept is clear. Please revise it more and more.